Hi, this is P&M Senior Wellness. Let's give those legs some love today. Have you noticed it's getting harder to rise from a chair or steady yourself when you stand? That quiet struggle isn't weakness, it's your body slowly forgetting how to stay strong. But the answer isn't hours in the gym or complicated workouts. It begins with one timeless practice from Japan, a simple daily movement that reawakens balance, power, and confidence from the ground up. Because somewhere between stillness and motion lies the secret to staying independent for decades longer. In the next few minutes, you'll see how three ancient exercises, beginning with Caesar's calm foundation, followed by Shiko's grounded strength, and ending with the flowing rhythm of Radio Taiso, rebuild your body's forgotten coordination and restore energy you thought was gone. Stay until the middle, because I'll reveal the one movement mistake that silently drains your stability every day and how to fix it before it costs you your balance. Before we start, do me one small favor, tap like and comment the letter C if you're ready to stay strong this week. And most importantly, don't skip any part of this video. You might miss the one step that changes everything. Exercise 1. Caesar, mindful foundation. Let's begin from stillness. Before we build strength, we build awareness. Caesar, the traditional Japanese sitting posture, may look simple, but it's one of the most powerful ways to realign your body and calm your mind. It reconnects your spine, hips, and breath, the foundation for balance in every movement that follows. The beauty of this posture lies not in effort, but in presence. It invites your body to remember how alignment feels when nothing is forced. Find a quiet surface, a mat, a folded blanket, or even a soft rug. Kneel gently so your knees are close together, the tops of your feet resting flat against the floor. Lower your hips until they rest over your heels. If this feels too tight, place a cushion or yoga block between your legs to lift your hips slightly. Comfort is strength here. Strain has no value. Once you're settled, lengthen your spine upward, the crown of your head reaching softly toward the ceiling. Feel the weight of your shoulders drop away from your ears. Take a slow breath in through your nose. As you exhale, let your body settle without collapsing. Imagine a thread running through your spine from your tailbone to the top of your head, keeping you tall yet light. Each inhale strengthens that thread. Each exhale releases tension from your hips and lower back. Caesar teaches your body to balance gravity and breath, to stay both grounded and lifted at once. If your knees or ankles feel strained, shift slightly or place a folded towel beneath your feet. The goal isn't endurance, it's alignment. A few quiet minutes in this posture awaken deep stabilizing muscles, the same ones that keep you upright when walking, standing, or climbing stairs. Rest your palms gently on your thighs, facing down. Feel the pulse of circulation under your hands. With each breath, sense your body becoming lighter but more grounded. This awareness trains your balance more effectively than effort ever could. Because balance begins in stillness when your body learns to cooperate with gravity instead of resisting it. If you feel comfortable, turn your palms upward. This small change relaxes the shoulders and opens the chest, improving oxygen flow. Inhale deeply, exhale slowly, and imagine warmth spreading from your hips to your knees. That gentle heat is your body's way of saying thank you, circulation returning, where stiffness once lived. For those with knee sensitivity, practice a modified version by sitting on the edge of a sturdy chair. Keep your feet flat, knees hip-width apart, spine tall, and gaze forward. The same principles apply: alignment, breath, calm, focus. Even here, you're retraining the same postural and core muscles that protect your joints and restore balance. Now bring attention to your breath again. Notice how the air enters through your nose, expands the ribs, and softens as it leaves. The more you notice, the more your body organizes itself around that rhythm. Over time, Caesar refines your posture naturally. Your back straightens without effort, your shoulders release, and your breathing deepens. These small changes carry into everyday life, making it easier to stand from a chair, reach for something high, or move with quiet confidence. If you wish, stay in this position for a few more breaths. Feel the connection between your shins and the floor, your spine rising, your breath flowing freely. The longer you stay aware, the more you awaken the inner muscles that hold your body upright through age and fatigue. Caesar isn't about stillness for its own sake. It's about teaching your body what harmony feels like so you can move with grace later. To finish, take one last slow inhale. Feel how the breath expands from your hips up to your collarbones. As you exhale, let the breath carry away any lingering tension. When you're ready, lean slightly forward and place your hands on the floor. Step one foot forward, then the other, and slowly rise to standing. Notice the difference. Your legs feel lighter, your spine longer, your breathing calmer. Caesar gently rebuilds what time and sitting have taken away the strength to hold yourself tall without strain, and the calm that comes from balance restored. Each session is a quiet conversation between your body and gravity, teaching patience, awareness, and subtle control. If you practice regularly, you'll find yourself standing taller, walking more evenly, and moving through daily life with steadier confidence. Stay with this feeling for one more breath, then slowly release. As you rise, let the calm travel upward through your body, from the soles of your feet to the crown of your head. That quiet steadiness you feel now is the beginning of real strength. Now that your body is centered and awake, it's time to bring that inner calm into motion. Let's stand and move into the next practice, Shiko, the grounded power of balance. Exercise 2, Shiko Dachi, grounded strength. Now that your body is calm and centered from Caesar, it's time to awaken the quiet power beneath you, the kind that keeps you steady on stairs, strong in daily movement, and confident when life asks you to rise. Shiko Dachi, or the Japanese sumo stance, is more than a squat. It's a reminder that your legs are your roots, and when those roots are strong, everything above them stands taller. This practice builds awareness, balance, and calm strength, the kind that supports you in every movement of life. Let's begin. Stand with your feet wider than shoulder width apart, toes turned gently outward about 45 degrees. Feel the ground beneath you firm and stable. Spread your toes slightly and sense that connection rising from your soles through your spine. This is where real balance begins. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, release tension from your shoulders. Let your arms hang loosely, your knees soften. You're not forcing stillness, you're discovering your foundation. Now, lower your body slowly as if sitting back onto an invisible stool. Keep your chest lifted, gaze forward, and spine long. Let your hips move back slightly as you descend. Keep your weight even on both feet. Avoid letting your knees collapse inward. Gently press them outward toward your toes. This protects your joints and activates your hips and glutes, the muscles that keep you stable when you walk, stand, or climb stairs. Lower until your thighs are almost parallel to the floor, or stop sooner if needed. Pause and breathe. Feel your legs holding you firm, awake, capable. The gentle burn isn't pain, it's power returning. As you inhale, rise slowly through your heels, keeping your posture tall and chest open. Each rise is a quiet statement, I still can. Repeat this 5 to 8 times, moving slowly and deliberately. Shikodachi isn't about how deep you go, but how aware you are. Each repetition strengthens your legs and reminds your mind to stay calm under effort. If your knees are sensitive, limit your depth and place a chair behind you for support. Lightly touch it as you lower, but let your legs carry most of the effort. If balance feels unsteady, rest one hand on a wall or counter. For limited flexibility, stand with a narrower stance and lower only halfway. Even the smallest motion, done mindfully, builds strength where it matters. Now connect breath to movement. Inhale as you lower, letting your hips open and your spine lengthen. Exhale as you rise, pressing through your heels and feeling energy travel upward through your body. Breath and motion together teach control, creating strength that feels steady instead of strained. Let's hold the stance. Lower until your thighs engage, then pause for 3 slow breaths. You may feel a tremor that's not weakness, it's your body reactivating. Each small adjustment in your ankles and hips is your body finding balance. Breathe through it, then rise gently. Repeat this hold 2 more times. Each round builds awareness and quiet power. As you practice, notice your body feeling heavier and more connected to the ground. That's the essence of Japanese movement, using gravity to build stability rather than fight it. When your legs root downward, your posture naturally rises. When your hips open, your steps feel smoother, lighter, and more secure. Shiko Dachi teaches your body to move with the earth, not against it. Here's a simple cue to deepen your awareness. At the bottom, lightly grip the floor with your toes. This activates the arches of your feet and the small stabilizers in your ankles, your first defense against imbalance. As you breathe, imagine energy rising from the floor through your legs to your spine, then settling back down as you exhale. You're not just exercising, you're retraining the conversation between your body and gravity. To build endurance, hold the stance and gently shift your weight from side to side. This mimics natural movement, stepping, turning, balancing. Each slow shift teaches adaptability and coordination, the keys to confidence as you age. Finish with one last round. Lower slowly, pause, then rise with intention. At the top, take a long inhale and feel your legs grounded. Spine tall, chest open. This isn't gym strength, it's functional strength, the kind that lets you move through daily life with ease and self-assurance. With regular practice, circulation in your legs improves, your hips loosen, and your gait steadies. Shikodachi also enhances bone strength through gentle, consistent pressure, a natural way to protect against bone loss. Every session builds trust between you and your body, restoring the stability that supports your independence. Shikodachi strengthens muscles, but it also trains patience. It teaches calm effort, focus, and the confidence that comes from control. Over time, it becomes more than exercise, a moment of meditation, a quiet promise from your body to your spirit. Strength never disappears, it only waits to return. Take one final breath. Feel your feet grounded, legs strong, heart steady. You've reconnected with your foundation, the part of you that supports everything else. Shikodachi isn't just a stance. It's a reminder that strength and stability begin from within. Now that your body is firm and centered, let's bring that grounded power into rhythm and motion. Join me in the final part of today's practice. Radio Taiso, Japan's gentle morning flow that keeps energy circulating through every joint and breath. Exercise 3. Radio Taiso, gentle flow and circulation. You've built calm awareness with Seiza and grounded strength with Shiko. Now it's time to bring that energy to life, to move, breathe, and circulate vitality through every joint and muscle. Radio Taiso is Japan's beloved morning routine, practiced by millions in parks, schools, and homes. It's simple, rhythmic, and designed to awaken the whole body in just a few minutes. Unlike hard workouts, this gentle sequence teaches your body to move with ease and your mind to stay present. Think of it as a soft conversation between breath and motion, a ritual that keeps energy alive at any age. Stand tall with your feet shoulder-width apart. Soften your knees, relax your shoulders, and let your arms hang naturally. Take a deep breath through your nose, and as you exhale, imagine stiffness melting from your neck, shoulders, and lower back. On your next inhale, lift both arms forward and upward until your hands meet above your head. Stretch gently toward the ceiling, lengthening your spine and opening your chest. Exhale slowly, sweeping your arms down in a smooth, circular motion. That's your first movement, breath and body moving as one. Now wake the shoulders. Lift your right arm, then your left, alternating slowly as if greeting the morning Sunday. Each lift opens your chest and brings circulation back to your upper body. After a few rounds, roll both shoulders backward, then forward. Notice how your back loosens, your chest expands, your breath deepens. This small motion relieves tension from sitting and restores natural posture. Next, place your hands on your hips. With your feet steady, gently twist your upper body right, then left. Move from your waist, not your arms. Let your gaze follow, keeping your neck soft. This simple twist activates the spine and massages the muscles that stabilize your back. A supple spine supports balance and helps you move comfortably through daily life. Now bring the legs into rhythm. Shift your weight to your right foot, lift your left heel slightly, then switch sides. Imagine marching softly in place. Each lift engages your calves and reawakens blood flow through the legs. Add a gentle arm swing opposite each heel lift. This crossbody rhythm mirrors natural walking and retrains coordination between your upper and lower body, a key to balance and fall prevention. Let's bring it together. Inhale as you lift your arms. Exhale as you lower them, bending your knees slightly. Keep the motion soft and circular, like waves folding and unfolding. Don't aim for precision, aim for flow. Move at your own pace, feeling your breath, heart, and muscles align. This simple rhythm restores your body's natural harmony, the kind of effortless balance that makes you feel lighter and calmer throughout the day. If your balance feels uncertain, stand near a wall or counter for support. If seated, perform the same upper body movements. Lift, roll, twist, and flow. Even from a chair, this routine wakes circulation and keeps joints flexible. What matters isn't size of motion, but consistency. Radio Taiso works because it encourages movement every day, easy, familiar, and sustainable. Now let's close the practice. Inhale, stretch your arms wide to the sides, palms up, opening your chest. Exhale, bring your palms together in front of your heart, a small moment of gratitude for your body's effort. Then inhale once more, lift your arms overhead, and exhale as you lower them in a gentle sweep toward your sides. Feel warmth moving through your body from your feet to your fingertips. That soft pulse you sense is circulation, your body fully awake. Pause for a moment. Let your arms rest naturally, palms forward. Feel your heartbeat steady, your breath smooth, your body relaxed yet alive. Radio Taiso may take only minutes, but its benefits last all day: looser joints, steadier balance, and quiet focus. It reminds you that strength doesn't come from strain, but from rhythm and consistency. With practice, this flow becomes more than exercise. It becomes a mindful ritual, a way to greet the day with motion and gratitude. In Japan, elders who have practiced it for decades move with grace and confidence, proof that small, daily actions preserve vitality far better than intensity ever could. Take one final breath in. Exhale slowly. Feel your feet grounding into the floor, your spine long, your shoulders open. You've completed the full circle: stillness, strength, and flow. That gentle warmth through your body is life energy circulating freely again. Each time you return to this practice, remember you're not chasing youth or performance. You're choosing mindful movement, calm breath, and independence. With every soft motion, you remind your body that it's still strong, still capable, and still beautifully alive. Thank you for watching this routine. Before you go, tell me in the comments which part of your body felt most alive today. Was it your legs finding new steadiness, your breath deepening, or the calm that returned when you slowed down? Remember, the biggest mistake most people make isn't moving wrong, it's holding tension and forgetting to breathe through it. Each time you move with awareness, your body learns safety, strength, and trust again. Keep these moments gentle and consistent. They're what rebuild confidence one quiet day at a time. No rush, no pressure, just steady progress toward balance that lasts. Rest well tonight knowing your body heard every movement and it's already thanking you with renewed strength.